Mark, when you're talking about a platform scale, bench scale, or even a piece of construction or agricultural equipment that uses a load cell, what does a load cell actually do?
Well, Rob, what we're doing is we're taking an element that we have machined out of a specific design, and we know exactly how much it's going to deflect under an exact load. So we need to convert that deflection into a signal that we can actually use it for something. So this is a pretty good example of a load pin. It's a double-ended. We've gauged it at two ends, and then we apply a load in the center. So what happens is your deflection is happening about the center, and then we've got two areas where deflection is occurring, and we've got our strain gauge network in those deflecting areas. So you can see this is an example of a strain gauge network. It's in a single parameter. You can take this and then you apply it to the specific area of the load cell that's deflecting. And then you've got an output at each end. And then through this electrical connector, you can determine the signal output, which is, of course, determined by the amount of deflection that's happening in the center of the load cell.
Great. Thank you, Mark.